Let me start first install JDK. So what does mean JDK? Whenever you want to work with Java, you have to install JDK in your computer because JDK have all the libraries that will be using by your Java app. So to get started with JDK, just open Google and look for JDK. Whatever your operating system be, make sure you be in this website and click on this one. Here you go. If you see, I have different things here. What I'm interested in is Java JDK, so just click on JDK. Whatever your operating system is, just select accept and select your operating system. Which one of them? For example, I am here in Windows. This operating system, I just download this one. If you are in Mac OS, download this one. Linux, download any other of these. So I click here and I will download it, and I will wait for some time. Here we go. Here is it, my file. If I go to open, I will see the file or the installation file that I could use it in my for JDK. So yes, here is it. To get started, I just double click and install it. Even if you have different operating system, you will go through the same process. Just install next. So just click. Then let me show you what you will do. Here we go. I will see this screen. I click next, then next. If you see this is, he say, okay, I will install Java in this path. C file program Java JR8. Make sure from this path. So install it. Cool. By the end, you will see the screen. That's mean he done. You click close. To make sure the Java JDK is installed, make sure you go to the terminals. I will look for command Windows. Command Windows or terminal, every operating system defined in different name. For example, in Windows you have command Windows, in Mac you have terminal. Make sure open the command Windows or terminal and type just Java. Then enter. If you see this result, that means you create the Java is installed. By any chance, if you did not see this one and he say, hey, I cannot, Java is not defined as internal external command, it's easy. Just go to where you installed the Java. I installed here. Here's the Java, and this is the Java JDK. Make sure JDK, not JRE. Then go to bin, take all these file path, copy it, click right, copy, and go to your computer, click right, properties, then advanced, then from advanced environment variable, then go to path, look for path, double click on the path, and click new, and add this path, and click save. Maybe you are using old version from Windows, so you will see that when you click on path, you will see it in this way. So it's easy also, just go to the end of the path and add this sign, then add the path. So this sign you added, then the path for the Java, then click save. That's great. Then okay, and now make sure you close the terminal and reopen it again. So terminal or command Windows, reopen it again. And now when you type Java, you should see the result. Okay, here we done, and see you next.